What's up? Welcome to day 4 of running because I hate it. Got a challenge today. I'm gonna run the beach, the rocky shores of Staten Island. So here we go. Hopefully I don't twist my ankle. Oh God. I'm not gonna be able to do a long video today because it's kind of hard to record and avoid all these rocks. But yeah, this is harder than my last run, which was the woods. Gotta be more alert and on point. My phone's also on low percent today, so I'm making a quick video. But I just walked probably like 2 miles, so I'm gonna run till I'm done. Yeah, it's gonna be a fun one today. It's gonna be fun. Woo. There's a lot of dangerous terrain. Oh. Can't really run fast here, but we're moving. We're moving, baby. All right. Doing things that are hard. Oh. All right, just tripped on a rock. Right back to running. We'll tune in when I get closer to better ground. Okay, so this is a tough one today. As you see, I tripped before. A lot of rocks. My legs are already on fire. Running on the sand makes it even more difficult to get traction. Taking a slower pace today. But yeah, we run because it's hard, not because it's easy. There's a little less rocks now. Still pretty rocky. But hard things in life is what makes things easier. You can push yourself through the hard times, and the easy times will be nothing. Be a breeze. Running's pretty nice, pretty relaxing. It's even better when the phone's not in my hand. It's even better, more relaxing. But yeah, this is taking a toll on me today. Got a long run because I walked pretty far, so I got a long way back. All right, so we're still going. This is the most my legs have ever hurt on a run. They're burning, they don't really hurt. My lungs feel like I smoked a pack of cigarettes before this. That's why I'm gonna quit smoking. I already quit weed. Just wanna never have a bogey again. That's why I push myself to help fight for a better cause. The harder you make yourself, the easier it is to say no to things. And I said before, no is a powerful word. Helps free you. If you say yes to everything, you're just someone's bitch. You don't want to be no one's bitch. Gotta say no sometimes. I know, it's a good word. Whew. Yeah, this is a fun one today. Right in the sun, I'm sweating. I get to the car, I have a long car ride home. Well, it's not really long, but it's gonna be a sweaty one. But we're doing it. This is fun. I would have been napping or something. But no, we're running. We're running, baby. I reached this wall. I gotta climb over. And we're over. And we're back to running. We're doing it. Got some nice views. Big house. Nice grass. Ocean to the left. Rock wall that I couldn't pass. Big house. Gotta do things that are hard so you can afford something like that. You're doing it, baby. Slowly but surely. I can see the finish line now. Yeah, baby. We love running. Running is fun. So much fun. Oh, why don't everyone do this? So easy. Whew. Well, my phone's probably gonna die soon. So, this is my run today. Day 4, and on the beach. Right on the rocks, fell in the sweltering sun. But we only have to go to that thing over there, that rock wall. That'll be a mile plus. Some ducks. Passed them before. My calves have never hurt this much from running. So we know we're stepping it up. Doing things that are hard. Because hard things make life easier and more fun. Alright. We're about 100 feet from the car now. I'm gonna walk the rest of the way. There's the ducks, the geeses. They're not ducks, they're geese. Whew. That was a good run. I'm gonna go home and eat now. Hit the gym later. And my next run's tomorrow. It's day 4. Doing 30 days of this. So I got 26 more. There's a lot of sand in my shoes too. A lot of sand. Alright. Thanks for joining me. Like, subscribe. Let me know if you're going for a run today. Or if you're working out. And yeah. Let's make these gains, baby. Alright. So that run is done. Run is done. That was experience. I fell, I got some sand on me. I got a shower when I get home now. My sweat tastes like sand or salt. That was a tough one. Definitely an experience, which is what we're looking for. Where should I run next? I don't know. Don't know. There's a guy chilling in the woods. So yeah, day 4 of runs. Got another 26 to go. That'll be 30 days of runs. I did skip like one day in between because I took a nap that ended up being asleep. So I wanted to run after the nap. It didn't happen. That's why naps are bad. Even though they're so nice, they're terrible for productivity. You get nothing done when you're sleeping, and you get
a lot done when you're awake and doing something. So yeah, that was fun. That was worth it. I feel good now. I felt good before. I feel better now. I feel like I accomplished something. At least I accomplished one of my goals, a little micro goal for the day. But something like that, you know, reflects onto your life, and then any goal you have, you're more likely to accomplish it, because that's, you know, part of your personality. You do what you want to do. If you want to wake up and go for a 10-mile run and you did it, now next time you want to do something, you're more likely to do it. So you have to set goals, and you have to accomplish them, more importantly, because then you're a goal getter. You know, it's good to have goals. You want to have little things you got to work towards and achieve, because it's a good feeling when you get it done and you achieve it. So yeah, that's why I'm going for runs, because I said I'm going to. So I have to do it, otherwise, you know, when I say something, it's really not worth it. It has no value behind it. But whatever I say, I accomplish. That's why you set goals, and that's why you accomplish goals. It makes you a better person at the end of the day. Not like you're better than someone else, but it makes you more likely to achieve what you want to achieve. So go for a run or a walk, whatever your goal is, big or small. If you said you're going to do it, you have to do it. Otherwise, you're less likely to do the things you want to do. Alright? Have a great day. Thumbs up. Subscribe. Leave a comment. Deuces.